Welcome back. See how this does on some street tires. He always lands on its wheels. Well, most of the time. They're definitely probably losing a little top speed because they're not as tall as the originals, but I don't know, it's kind of fun like this. Oh. Oh. Oop. Let's try that again. Yeah. Tell you what, this little thing gets it. And I was looking on Temu last night. There's one more day that these are on sale for under 24 bucks, but you know, you got your tax and shipping. So all in for me in my state came in at about 28 bucks and change. Put some street tires on it, see what it would do. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave this one like this and run the other one I got as it comes. I'm telling you, this thing has taken some serious hits. Nothing's broken. Look at that. My Typhon Grom would have broken a dog bone by now. Not Temu Car. She can hoon a little bit. I mean, look at that. It's not the fastest thing, but man. A little rail slide action. Oh. I know I've been posting a lot of videos on this. No, I'm not sponsored. I have like, what, 270 subscribers at the time of this filming. I just think, you know, when you find something cheap that's good, I gotta just tell you guys about it. I'm having fun with it. Tell you what makes a good RC. It's when you think about it when you're not using it. And I think about this when I'm not using it. I'm like, I want to get that Temu truck out. Yep, still does off-road stuff. Yep, we can still do off-road stuff. Oh. See, I go saying, always lands on its feet. Kind of messing up our dock here. Know what kind of semi did that, but she must have been a big girl. Look at that, barrel rolls. I mean, come on. How do you not have fun with something like this? I'm sure if you're racing at a high level and you're used to things being just tight and precise, yeah, it might annoy you. It might annoy a lot of people, but for me, and I still consider myself a beginner, this thing is just perfect. I don't have to worry about being out a bunch of money if I break it. It's just perfect for here. Let's get a good full stab run. That is all the beans right there. don't even know what you call that trick I just made up right there. But that is one flaw with these tires. We got like no ground clearance. All right, I'm gonna put you guys down. I'm gonna go home from work, take out the Typhon Grom with the tires that go on this thing, and I'll be right back. We are back. Try the Temu truck tires on the Typhon out of just pure curiosity. Let's see how they work. Definitely heard it cog a little bit. Okay. Yeah, it still does that. Jumps nice with them. Let's take a walk. Let's go for the big jump. Look at that. Not bad at all. What do you think? Kind of makes it almost act more like the Mojave, which is a good thing. So yeah, simple trugification here. Get you a Temu car, steal its tires. That didn't sound like happy sound, did it? I think it is rubbing on the body a little bit, but that's fine. We're gonna be putting a new one on shortly. Uh-oh. Where did you go? Under the neighbor's truck. Seem to be ballooning as much as I thought, but we are just on 2S also. Oh, my poor wing. We got a new one of those too. All right. I think it runs pretty darn good on these tires. Anyway, what do you guys think? Drop a comment. I'll catch you later on the next one. Peace.